Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very interesting. So this is a very easy skill from you can earn money and provide your services on different freelancing platforms. So let's get started. So today's video I will teach you how you can make a beautiful icons with the help of AI tool. This is a very easy skill. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and let's see that there is a demand of this skill or not. So I click on Fiverr. After that, if you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services and buyers pays you. So this is Fiverr. Here I write icon. So as you can see, icon design, icon app, Roblox game icon, 3D icon, game icon, icon illustration. So icon design. So as you can see, 356 reviews, 61 reviews, 250 reviews, and there are 4,462 services available. So guys, this is a good skill to sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So first of all, I will go to this. As you can see, he charged $10 for one icon button. Delivery 1 day, source file, unlimited revisions. After that, standard he charged $60 and six provides six icon buttons. After that, premium he charged $100 and provide only 10 icon buttons. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create icon in just 2 to 3 minutes, and you do not need a creative mind. Like, after that you can also check out his gig, and you can get idea from there. So guys, this is our freelancing part. So let's get towards our skill part. So I close the tabs, and now we will write auto draw. This is a Google AI tool from which you can draw beautiful icons for social media and for other things. So start drawing. Now you can make a simple drawing, and this auto draw tool suggests you the best possible shapes. Like, I want to create a Gmail icon, mail icon. So I made a rough sketch. So as you can see, he show me different sketches of mail. So this is good. And let's make a home. So I click on this. I made a rough sketch. This I delete this one. I delete this one too. Again, I select draw, and then I made. Sorry, I have to delete something. And now I refresh this tool like that. Again, click on this tool and delete. Sorry guys, I made a wrong icon. This icon is auto draw. So again I select this one, delete. This is the auto draw icon. So as you can see, it provide me the home icon. So this is also a home icon. This is related to home. This is a home icon. So as you can see, uh, there are a lot of icons this auto draw tool provide us. So this is good. So guys, in this way you can use this tool for making social media icons and other icons and provide services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this skill. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.